All right, good afternoon on this Monday on what is a chilly Monday, the coolest afternoon we've seen in quite some time. In fact, I was going back and looking. It may have been since February, the last time we had an afternoon that was cooler than what we're seeing out there right now. UNT and Denton, 48 degrees, feeling like 42. Thankfully, the rain has stopped as well. We did see that sunshine come out today. Cedar Hill at 49, feeling like 44 at the moment. And clouds are clearing on out. Rain has obviously come to an end across North Texas as well. Clouds will continue to clear out overnight tonight. Rain's now down kind of along the Texas coast, and it will continue to move out. Look at the cool air that spilled not only into North Texas, but all across Texas. Temperatures in the 40s. And obviously here in DFW, Austin at 45, Houston's at 48, Amarillo at 45, cold air all across the central part of the country. The Colorado area got a lot of snow yesterday from the same system that brought the cold to us. Look how warm it is out ahead of the cold front there. 81 in Atlanta, compare that to 44 in Nashville, 44 in Cleveland at the moment. DFW, cooler than places like DC and New York, and it's the same temperature right now in Boston as it is outside right now in DFW. So the cold air is here, and it's going to get even colder overnight tonight with those clear skies. We got a freeze warning in place for all of DFW, in fact, most of North Texas as well. This includes kind of DFW to the north and to the west. This is not pipe bursting cold or anything like that. A freeze warning just means it's our first chance for a freeze for this, fall season, and then we have a chance of that freeze or a frost tonight. Your tender vegetation, the potted plants, things like that could suffer from the freezer, frosty conditions tomorrow morning. So make sure to protect those. Not a bad idea just to cover those outdoor faucets as well. But this isn't pipe bursting cold or anything like that. Now the rest of North Texas, the areas that aren't under the freeze warning are under a freeze watch. That would be areas like Waxahachie, Hillsborough, Corsicana, Athens. You have a good chance at a freeze tomorrow night, so you'll likely be under a freeze warning tomorrow. Now, here's what's happening tonight. Temperatures will dip down in the low 30s everywhere, but those freezing temperatures most likely in the areas underneath that freeze warning to start tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, though, will warm up a little bit more than today. Highs will be in the low to mid to upper 50s, and then tomorrow morning or the following morning will be even colder across most of the area. But before all that happens, your trick-or-treat forecast looks like this: low 50s to upper 40s. For you and the kiddos, so make sure to stay warm for that. And then by the next morning, that would be your Wednesday morning, looks like it could be even colder with upper 20s to low 30s. So if you don't have a freeze tonight, you have a good chance of seeing one tomorrow night. It will be dry, breezy, and cold, 32 for the low, and then tomorrow, breezy and cool, 56 for the high. The next 14 looks, well, the first 7 look like this, and then we'll get to the next 14. Wednesday's pretty similar day to tomorrow, and then we start the warm-up. 62 Thursday, 70 Friday, mid to upper 70s this upcoming weekend, so a much warmer weekend than what we saw this past weekend, as we do fall back this weekend. Remember that. And then it's 80 a week from now, next Monday, and we stay in the 60s and 70s that following week. And we've had a ton of rain over the past week, but over the next 14 days, our rain chances actually look pretty slim.
Good, we got that then. Thank you, Kyle, for that.